In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect containers in Card. If you've ever built a section in Card with content side by side and noticed a thin gap between those columns, this walkthrough will show you how to remove that gap so the columns touch cleanly. We'll do it using a container element, a simple change to its type, and a couple of appearance tweaks. Start by heading to card.co. From the home page, click Open Dashboard to access your sites, then open the project you want to edit. That takes you into the Card Builder where you can make changes in real time. Inside the builder, look for the Add button and choose Container. Containers are layout blocks that can hold other elements, and they're perfect for arranging content horizontally or vertically. With the new container selected, open the Type dropdown and switch it to Columns. This tells Card to place items inside the container next to each other rather than stacked. If you plan to drop text, images, buttons, or other blocks into columns, this is the layout you need to make them sit side by side. Next, move over to the Appearance tab for this container. Here's where the connection magic happens. Find the control labeled Gutter, which is the horizontal space between the columns. Drag that slider down until the gap disappears. Setting Gutter to 0 is what physically connects the columns so they meet edge to edge. While you're still in Appearance, make sure spacing is set to 0 as well. Spacing controls the padding inside the container around your column content. Reducing it eliminates extra breathing room that could make the edges still look separated even if the gutter is gone. With both gutter and spacing at 0, your columns will align tightly without any visible gaps. When the layout looks right, click Done to apply the changes. You should now see your columns perfectly connected. A couple of quick tips to keep things looking sharp. If you're using background colors or images on the columns, matching those backgrounds helps the connection look seamless. Also, keep an eye on the content inside each column. Large internal padding on elements can create the illusion of extra space, even when gutter and spacing are 0. Finally, remember that columns may stack on smaller screens depending on your design, so the connected look mainly applies to wider layouts. That's it, your containers are now connected cleanly in Card.